Alright, so hello, how are you today? Today I will tell you some mistakes that I had made, that some teenager had made, or maybe you had made also. Like if you are between 13 and 17, 13, 14, 15 and 17, like and 16 also, you may probably will do this mistake, or maybe you had done, or you are doing right now. Like I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I had also made these mistakes by myself also. And if someone can improve his mistakes by listening this or by hearing this, that would be better for me. Then I will know, like if you do these mistakes which I am gonna tell in the in the video, then you can comment down below that I had repeated these mistakes or I had done these mistakes. So yes, also I'm not saying that I am perfect, I'm still improving, and I'm just telling you that I think these mistakes maybe probably every teenager do, between who is like around 13 and between 13 and 17. Like when I was around 13 or 14, or may like 13 or 15, 13 or 14, I thought that I will learn skills later, like in my when I will be 18 or 19 or 20. Cause I don't, at that time I don't know that these skills are important, like communication, like writing skills, maybe your public speaking skills, your English fluency, that can be anything. Okay, so I had ignored this, but now I'm getting that if I had started at that time, I would be much better than I am today. Like it would be very, I had improved, I may had improved from that time to right right now, from that time to now. So don't wait to learn a skill. Like I'm not saying if you are 17 or 18 you can still start, but if you are somewhere 13, 14, 15, you can start earlier then, and this will give you an advantage also. And furthermore, one thing that I want to tell you, that is, try to speak in public, like in your school. It in my school also, last many years, I fear to be in the stage. I fear to speak in front of public. I don't want to go in front of public and just say speech. But trust me, you must go there. And if you I'm not saying that it will improve your English very much, it will improve you like a very, like a badass, but it will give you the confidence, it will give you the courage to speak in public also. And I am not saying that I hadn't tried this, but I had tried this a little, like very few times. I had gone in front of public in stage and had I had spoke about it, about any speech. Maybe it can be anything. So yes, the mistake I will say this, that is, learn your skills as earlier as you can, and share your stage means go in the stage, try to speak in the front of public. And yeah, this is the mistake I had also done, or I had repeated in my teenage, or when I came to add my teenage. Second mistake I will say, that is, don't care about other people, like what they think. Like I had wasted a lot of time just thinking that what other people were thinking about me, how I dressed, how I am looking, how I had done a thing which was very awful, like something like this always used to, roams in my mind. And I think this had wasted a lot of time of my mind also, and a lot of energy, just thinking that what other people are thinking, or what other people were thinking about me. But in reality they don't just think, they don't fucking care about what you are doing. Maybe at that moment they may be thinking, but after few time, after 1 hour, or after even 10 minutes, they don't even realize that you had done that mistake. So don't ever care that what people thinks. And the next mistake that I will going to target, which is don't give phone your total time. Like if you are spending 6 hours in a, like you are spending in front of mobile screen, you are just scrolling, or you are not just you are not doing anything related to your skills or related to your education, then this thing is waste. And I'm not saying I don't do that, I still do. But I if I will tell you, I had in my teenage in 13, 14, 15, I had wasted a lot of time playing games, scrolling, and just watching videos which are not related to my skills. And if you will give your time, give away your time to the phone, then it will not gonna help you. I'm not saying that phone don't watch phone. You have the right to watch phone. You must right. You should know about the things. But with that, just try to learn a skill. Like try to learn a skill even 1 hour a day. But like if you will learn skill 1 hour a day, then think of it that after a year you will be a different person, totally different person. Cause skills compounds, it compounds like money. So invest your time in learning any skills. It can be anything. Like I'm doing. I'm I had started late, but I had started. So if you are early in your teenage, if you are mid your teenage, or if you are like 18, 19, you can also start that. Starting anything is not late, but if you will start early, if you will start as fast as you can, that will be better for you. Next mistake which I'm gonna take down is comparing your journey. Like there will be people who are ahead of you, there will be people who are behind of you, but you should not compare your journey with someone else's journey. You don't even know that how he started, how hard work he do, how hard work he had done to reach at that level from which you are comparing. Suppose if you are just started, if you had started improving your communication, and you spend 1 week on that, and you are comparing someone who had an experience of a year, then there will be a lot of difference between them. So don't compare yourself with someone else. And uh, I am not saying that it is completely bad, but if it is helping you to improve, then you can, but don't totally depend on comparison. And if it is making you down, just leave it, because it will not gonna help you. So like I had also talked about comparison in last videos. You can check out my previous videos. In that I had talked about comparison. So next mistake that I will tell you, that is thinking that you have a lot of time. Like in your teenage, or in I had also experienced that in your teenage, we think that we had a lot of time. We just think that we will learn anything, we will do whatever we want in future. But the time passes very fast. Like I still remember that how fast my 8th, ninth gone. In 10th I remember, because I had studied a lot. Like I had studied, so I remember 10th, but 8th and ninth I can't realize where did the time had gone. And like same like this times, or this time also will pass. So don't think that I will just start after 15 or 16 or 17. Just start today, just start earlier. And if you will start today, then in your 20s, your skill can be sharper. You can sharp your skill also. If you started learning communication at the age of 14 or 15, then you can sharp your communication by 21 or 22 or 23. But if you will start from 21 and 22, that will be take more time than compared to when you had started earlier. So don't waste the precious time where you had not a lot of work. You have to do just studies, and Yeah, and you can learn skill also. And yeah, I think that is the mistake that I will tell you that I had tell you, that is kind of these. And don't think that I'm perfect, because I had also repeated these mistakes. So uh, if I sum this up, I will say, don't repeat your mistake, which don't repeat your mistake, don't do this mistake, or don't repeat. If you had done this mistake, I had done these mistakes, don't repeat your mistakes and try to improve your mistakes. I think these five mistakes were just I think that are common in most of teenage, and I had also done this. I am not saying that I am perfect, and you know that I am not perfect, because no one can be perfect. As I had also talked about this in previous videos. If you can check those videos, that will be good. And if if anything from this video helps you, that would be better for me. Then it means that this video is worth it. And I am also trying to improve these mistakes, and I am learning from mistakes. And I, like, previous 1 or 2 days, I last in 2 days I had heard a quote, that is quote, okay, that is, stupids learn from their mistakes, but legends learn from others' mistake. So, if you want to be a legend, you can legend. If you want to be a be, if you want to become, if you want to become a legend, just learn with my mistakes. And, like, I am not saying that you can't learn your mistakes, but it will be better that you take steps ahead. Like, it's been said that precautions are better than cure. So that is what I want to say. And if you can, if you are thinking, if this video had helped you, then uh, I don't know, you, yes, you can just like, and you can comment that I will not repeat this mistake, or I will not do this mistake, or I will improve my mistake. Anything you can write. Okay. So I think that is for today. And if I had gave you something valuable, just click the like. And if you agree, also like, also comment. And if you don't, just tell me what I can improve. Okay. That I also want to improve, and I'm improving. So see you in the next video. Sayonara.